Here's how to get an Amazon affiliate link for a specific search term or for a specific page on Amazon. It's pretty simple to do, so let's go ahead and get started. So first we want to search on Google and we want to search for Amazon Associates. Then you want to click the Amazon Associates Central on the search results. This is going to open up your Amazon Associates dashboard, in which case the next thing you want to do is go to the top where it says Tools and then click on where it says Site Stripe. From here you want to click on where it says Learn More. And you want to make sure that the display status is enabled, because when you go to the Amazon homepage, this will allow you to enable what is called the site stripe at the top of the Amazon page. And this is going to be important because we're going to need this to actually generate affiliate links for search results as well as just any Amazon page we want. So now we need to search for something that we want to create an Amazon affiliate link for. So I'm just going to enter an acoustic phone like so. And let's say we want to create an affiliate link for this specific page, not specifically a certain product, but rather for this whole search page itself. The way we can do that is by clicking on the Get Link button at the top right. And this is going to generate a link for us that if we open in a new tab, it's going to open up this exact search page that we just copied. And so if we were to copy that link and paste it, say in our YouTube description or something like that, then anybody that clicks on this link will get taken to this search page rather than a specific product itself. If you wanted to link to a specific product, you could just click on the product and then click on the Get Link button, and it will generate a link for that specific product. If this video helped you guys out, please leave a like. That's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helped you out.